So you want to learn artificial intelligence. Amazing choice, because right now AI isn't just a buzzword. It's one of the fastest growing industries in the world, projected to reach nearly $2 trillion by 2030. That means opportunities for careers, freelancing, business, and innovation are exploding. And in this video, you're getting a complete roadmap from absolute beginner to advanced practitioner so you can build skills that matter and even monetize them. Let's get started. Before diving in, you need to ask one big question. Do I want to actually code AI models, or do I just want to use AI tools without programming? If you're not into coding, no problem. Today, there are powerful platforms where you can build AI powered workflows without touching a line of code. For example, Zapier AI for automation using AI, Bubble.io build web apps with AI integrations, Globe AI train machine learning models visually, Flowise or Langflow create custom LLM apps without coding. These are fantastic for entrepreneurs or beginners who just want working solutions fast. If you want to understand AI at its core, build advanced solutions, and create tools companies can rely on, then coding is the way. That's the roadmap we'll dive deep into. The first real step is getting your tools ready. The language of AI is Python. It's simple, powerful, and has the largest AI ecosystem. Here's what you need. Install Python 3.x on your computer. Use an IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. Options include VS Code, PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook. Pro tip: learn how to install packages with pip or conda. This is how you'll add powerful libraries like NumPy or TensorFlow later. Without this foundation, tutorials won't make sense, so invest time here before moving forward. Now it's time to actually start coding. If you're new, begin with Python fundamentals: variables, loops, functions, classes, data structures like lists, dictionaries, and sets. Then level up with AI specific libraries, including NumPy for fast math operations, Pandas manipulate, clean, and analyze datasets, Matplotlib and Seaborn create charts and visualizations, Scikit-learn train and test machine learning models easily. Think of these as your AI starter toolkit. Every project you build relies on them. GitHub is where the world's AI code lives. Open source projects, data sets, model checkpoints, you'll find them all here. At minimum, learn how to clone a project, commit and push your own work, fork repositories to build on someone else's project. With this, you'll unlock thousands of free learning opportunities by studying and editing real projects. Here's where most learners quit, but not you. Real skill comes from building projects, not just watching tutorials. Start with beginner friendly projects like spam email classifier, movie recommendation system, chatbot using OpenAI or Claude AI APIs. Then move into structured learning platforms like Kaggle, which has competitions, datasets, and public code notebooks, Driven Data, which has real world challenges for social impact, and Hugging Face Hub, which has state of the art models ready to test and modify. The secret: reverse engineering. Download an existing project, run it, and tweak the code to see what changes. This builds intuition and real world problem solving skills. Over time, these projects become your portfolio, proof that you can build AI, not just talk about it. AI is a massive umbrella. Once you've experimented, it's time to pick a direction. Here are the major fields: machine learning, predictive models, fraud detection, recommendation engines; deep learning, neural networks, image recognition, self driving systems; natural language processing, chatbots, translation, summarization; generative AI, text, images, videos, and music creation; data science, turning messy data into actionable insights. Don't worry about locking yourself in too early. Just start by choosing what excites you most. Here's a secret: teaching is learning. When you explain what you've learned, you solidify your own understanding. Here are ways to share: write on Medium or Substack, share code snippets on GitHub, post tips and micro projects on X, create faceless tutorials on YouTube just like this one. This not only builds your skills, but also builds your reputation, which can lead to collaborations and job offers. As you specialize, gaps will appear. Fill them strategically. For example, maths and statistics, if you want to be a serious data scientist. APIs, Docker, cloud deployment, if you want to deploy AI apps. PyTorch or TensorFlow, if you want to master deep learning. LangChain, Llama Index, if you're building LM powered apps. AI changes weekly. The learners who win are the ones who adapt fast. Knowledge is power, but applied knowledge pays. Here's how you can turn skills into income. Number one, freelancing. Offer AI automation, chatbot building, or data analysis on Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal. Number two, jobs. AI engineer, machine learning specialist, or data scientist roles are booming. Number three, products. Build your own SaaS app using AI APIs and launch it. Number four, content. Grow a YouTube channel, write an AI newsletter, or create digital products. Remember, pressure accelerates growth. Deadlines, clients, and jobs will push you to learn faster than any online course. Bonus tip, join a community. Learning alone is tough. Surround yourself with people on the same path. Great options include Kaggle forums for data science discussions, Hugging Face Discord for NLP and LLM projects, Reddit groups like R Machine Learning or R Learn AI to stay up to date. Communities keep you motivated, give feedback, and open doors to collaborations. And that's it, the step-by-step roadmap to mastering AI. Whether you start with no-code tools or dive deep into Python and machine learning, the key is simple. Take action, build projects, share your progress, and never stop learning. And if you're wondering, okay, but how does AI actually work under the hood? You're in luck. I've made a dedicated video that breaks it down in simple, beginner-friendly language. So, what's your first move? Will you start with coding Python or try a no-code AI builder first? Let me know in the comments.